Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics without getting bored. Start by actively seeking connections between physics and your everyday life. For instance, consider how gravity affects a falling apple or how friction slows a rolling ball. Visualizing these concepts with diagrams or simple experiments can make them much more tangible and interesting, transforming abstract ideas into concrete understanding. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Solving a diverse range of practice problems is crucial for applying theoretical knowledge. Try explaining complex topics in your own words, perhaps to a study partner or even just out loud. This process reveals gaps in your understanding and reinforces what you already know, making your learning more robust and less tedious. Keep your motivation high by setting small, attainable goals. Celebrate your progress, even minor victories, to build momentum. For example, after mastering a particularly tricky concept, treat yourself to a short break or a favorite snack. Collaborating with a study group can also provide fresh insights and make the learning journey more enjoyable and less isolating. Incorporate regular, short breaks into your study routine to avoid mental fatigue and maintain peak concentration. Always review previously learned material before diving into new topics. This strengthens your foundational knowledge and makes new information easier to grasp. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.